1, and release. Now drop your head, grab your band. We're going to place our band around our ankles. So your band is going to be resistant here. We're going to go into your double leg stretch on your next round. So again, tailbone down. No weights needed, just that band. We're going to bring our knees into our chest. I want you to curl your head and shoulders off the mat. I want you to grab your ankles. Take an inhale breath, start to extend your legs. As you extend, open, close, sweep it around. Exhale, bring it in. Do it again. Inhale, out. Open, close, exhale, sweep. Bring it in, curl higher through that breastbone. Keep going. Inhale, out. Stretch the band, release. Exhale, sweep, curl in. Can we keep going? Inhale, out, in, exhale, sweep, squeeze. Inhale, out, point, exhale, in, curl higher. Keep going. Inhale to go out, stretch that band. Give me a few more seconds there. Use that breath. Make sure you're breathing. Inhale out, open, in. Now that next one, I want you to keep your legs out. Hands can come behind your head. We're going to post the band. Give me 10, give me 9, give me 8, 7, 6, 5. Legs higher if you need to. 3, 2, 1. Open, stretch that band. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Drop your feet down towards the floor. Lower your head. Okay. Take our band now around the tops of your thighs. We're going to work your glutes here at the same time as your core. So your feet are hip distance apart. Again, you're going to float your legs into your tabletop. Your arms are beside your legs. Palms are facing down. Knees track to your hips. We're going to take that right leg out to the side. Inhale. And as you exhale, I want you to bring a knee in. Inhale out. Exhale in. Now just moving that right side only. We're going to keep going. So I want you to inhale it out. And then exhale it in. Now watch that left knee doesn't go out to the side as well. You want to keep that knee tracking to your hip. Keep going. Hands are beside your hips. Inhale out. Exhale in. Get that length through the back of your neck. Shine your inner thigh towards the sky. And keep pushing that tailbone down into the floor. All right, a few more seconds. Inhale out. Exhale in. Inhale out. To exhale in. Do 2 more. Inhale. To exhale. One more there. Inhale. To exhale. Now I want you to leave the knee out to the side and that little hip opener, and I want you to pulse it out. Give me 10. You can reach those arms to the sky. Your palms can face in. Give me 8. Make sure that left leg isn't moving. Try and keep your hips stable on that left side. Give me 4 more there. 3, for 2, for 1. Now hold it. Curl up. Stay there in that position. Just hold. Reach your fingertips long. Hold for 5. Point your toes out. 3. Lift a little higher. For 2. 1, breathe in, and then exhale, return your knee, and just stay there in this dead bug position with your hands beside your thighs. Hold it there. So we're not going anywhere yet. No breaks. Shoulders away from ears. We're going to go out and in. We're going out and in. Climb both legs now. Give me 8. Think of that breath. It's inhale, out. It's exhale, in, out, and in. For 5. Give me 4. Give me 3. Give me 2. Give me 1. Those knees stay out to the side. You curl higher. You then pulse your knees. Hands come behind that head if you need some support. We go 10. We go 9. We go 8, 7, 6. Curl higher through that chest if you can. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Just hold it there. Flex your feet. Press that energy out. Bring it in. Exhale out to inhale in. Exhale out to inhale in. Energy through the heels. Now you can bring those knees a little closer to the chest on this round. We go in. We go out. Keep that resistance of your band if you have one. Exhale out to inhale in. Give me another 4 more. In for 3. In. Exhale 2. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale there, pulse those heels, 8, 7, 6, 5. Ooh, then 3, then 2, for 1, hold. Bend the knees, drop your feet. Ooh, full body stretch. Take your legs out long, flex your heels. If you want some circles in those ankles, circle your ankles. We're going to get ready to do our roll-ups here. So your feet are flexed. I want you to press your tailbone down into your mat. Let's reach your arms over your head. Now your feet are flexing towards your kneecaps. Press your legs into the mat. Activate your legs here. Breathe in. On the exhale, come up, chin to your chest. Squeeze the core. Oh, I've done too much today. Oh, that was a hard one. Roll forward. And then let's just inhale back. Point your toes. We're going to go down for 3, for 2, and then 1. Flex your feet. Arms go over your head. Try not to flare your ribs there. Breathe in. Exhale up. Chin comes to your chest. Squeeze the core. Keep flexing your feet. Up and over. Round over your beach ball. Head comes down towards your legs. And then inhale back. Those are when the toes are going to point. Oof. Head's in the way. Give me 3, 2, and again 1. All the way down. Let's do 1 more there. Flex your feet. Inhale. Exhale up. Up and over. Scoop your belly back towards your spine. Keep flexing your feet. And then point your toes. Let's go down this time for 5, for 4, for 3. Slow it down for 2, for 1. And lower your head towards the floor. Walk your feet back. All right, we've got that left side to do. So tailbone flat to the mat, hands beside your thighs. Float one leg up at a time into your tabletop and track your knees to your hips. We go out on the left, inhale, to exhale, bring it in. We're going to keep doing that. Inhale out, to exhale in. Inhale out, and exhale in. Inhale, and exhale. Keep going. Inhale and exhale. Now think about being active with your arms here. So sometimes I see in class the arms, people are just kind of relaxing and hanging out with the arms. Your arms also need to work. So your hands are down, your triceps I should say, triceps are working as they press into your mat. So backs of the arms, your shoulders are pushing down into the floor and your collarbone is wide. So don't just relax your arms. Think about the arms also working. All right, now give me 1 more there. And then I want you to open that knee out to the side and I want you to pulse it. Give me 10. Give me 9. You can also place your hands on your belly just to make sure that your core is definitely working. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Lift your head and shoulders off the floor. Oh, my right hip's dropping off the mat there. Make sure your right hip stays on the floor. 3, 2, 1. Bring it in. Toe taps. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale to exhale. Inhale to exhale. Curl higher. Inhale to exhale. Inhale. Keep going. Exhale. Last couple of times. 1 more there. Bring it back to tabletop. Hold it. Flex your feet. Out and pulse again. For 10. For 9. For 8. Think about those glutes working. Give me 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Energy out. Energy in. Energy out. Energy in. For 6. For 5. Lots of core today. Give me 4. Give me 3. Can you give me 2? Can you give me 1? Then we hold and pulse it out. Give me 8 more counts. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, bend, and relax.